Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorian and I'm here with my friend Chelsea. Hey girl, how's it going?
Hey, great.
So today on 5 Minute Fridays, we are going to do something that hopefully is going to save you a lot of time in the morning. With everybody's busy schedule, saving time is so important, especially if you have kids or if you're the type of person that likes to sleep in and snooze until the last minute. So having something that you can do at nighttime so that you can look great in the morning is always super great. What I'm going to show you is a way to give yourself a bronze contoured look without actually putting on bronzer or contour in the morning. This is going to be something that you're going to definitely want to do at nighttime, right before bed, so that you can allow this to kind of gradually happen. And what I'm going to do is use a little self-tanner. So everybody uses self-tanner. I hope you do. Being out in the sun is awful for your skin. 80% of all aging comes from the sun. So sunless tanners are always a really, really great way of giving yourself a beautiful golden tan without UV exposure. The reason I like this one right here is because it is a darker color. So this is going to give you a deeper color than a traditional tanner, kind of like this one. So this is the cream base. It's going to give you a really beautiful tan. If you are fair, I would definitely use something like this from Saint-Tropez. If you are a little bit darker, like us, we like to tan. Using these, the Saint-Tropez self-tan is going to be your ticket. So, what I like to do is grab a little dish like this. This is a little like sushi dish or a little, for like some soy sauce or condiment dish. I grab my sunless tanner. I pop 2 pumps into it. And this is pretty much all that you're going to use for your entire face. And you are going to want to use this the way that you would use any other bronzer or contour that you currently use at home. But you're going to do this at nighttime, let this process, so in the morning you wake up with beautifully sculpted bronzy skin. Now, instead of using this all over the face, we want to just target the areas where you would normally contour yourself in the morning. So you're going to grab a little cream shadow brush or a cream blush brush. Foundation brush will work really good with this also. I like to use something flat because it allows you to really kind of move the product where you really want it to go. So using your little brush, you're going to dip into your foamy cleanser. Another tip that I'm going to show you, or that I'm going to tell you, is to use a sunless tanner with a bronzer already built into it. Now, this is really important, especially for your first few times, because it's going to allow you to see where you're actually applying the product so that you know whether or not it's blended or not. So cream shadow brush or cream blush brush, foundation brush, grab a little bit of that onto the brush. And in the areas where you would normally contour the skin is where you're going to put this. So go ahead and turn your face this way. Thank you. And right up where the contour is going to go is right where kind of your ear starts, right at the tip where your sideburn would be if you had sideburns. And you're just going to follow the hollow of the cheek. So if you grab the side of your brush and you push against your skin, you'll be able to feel where your bone is. If you feel underneath the bone, that little hollow space right there is where you're going to want to apply most of your contour. So brush into the back, and you are going to swipe forward and kind of flick forward. Now the bronzer really allows you to see where you're putting the product so that you can blend that product out. So again, I'm going to grab a little bit more and I am going to swipe towards the front, and with the side of the brush, I'm then going to kind of wisp out the edges. You can definitely do this with a beauty blender. You can do this with your finger if you wanted to. It's going to give you pretty much the same results. And blend, blend, blend. Make sure that there is no hard line. And you can really see where we've applied that bronzer. Right there. So this is going to process overnight. I think this one says leave on for 3 to 4 hours. 1 hour gives you a good tan, 2 hours gives you a deeper tan, 3 hours even deeper, and then you get your dark tan at 4th hour. I actually sleep with this on. I've never had an issue with it affecting my skin in any way. I would try this out on maybe a patch of your skin and sleep with it and see how your skin does. But this for me and for Chelsea has always worked really well. This is something that I taught her ages ago. And it's just a really, really great trick to save you time. Anywhere else that you would want to put bronzer, you're just going to grab a little bit onto your cream brush. I like to go right onto the outsides of the, or top of the forehead, kind of blend that up into the hairline.
I love Saint Tropez.
It's really nice. It's one of my favorites. Kind of blend that up. Blend that out. You can really see, because of the bronzer that it has built into it, where you're applying the product. And even if I'm using a brush, at the end I always go in with my finger and just kind of tap that out. And last place that we're going to use this is right along the jawline. So your jawline starts right underneath your earlobe right here, and I like to make a little line down and then swipe the product underneath the bone right here. So I really love this as your jaw contour because it is going to look really, really, really natural once this is all set. Again, you want to make your little stripe and then blend out the edges so there's never any hard edges. This should take you maybe 5 minutes at nighttime. It's going to save you 5 minutes throughout the week because a tan like this is probably going to last you about 5 days, which is an entire work week. So if you do this on Sunday, you'll have this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You'll probably want to reapply it for the weekend, but this is going to save you time in the morning. You can just put on a little bit of concealer, mascara, a little bit of lip gloss, and boom, you are out the door, fully contoured, beautifully highlighted. And you did it all at nighttime.
Yeah.
One of my really favorite tricks, I love 5-Minute Fridays to show you guys little tips and tricks like this. If you like the video, click the little subscribe button, and right next to it is a little bell. You want to click on that also so that you get notifications of when I release my next videos. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Be kind to each other, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Have a good one. Bye.